Hello guys, we're back to another video to see what's inside my backpack. I just went school shopping and my mom made my backpack. It's American Pro, made in USA. So let's check it out.
It's a party in the USA.
Glue,
Teeny tiny pocket glue.
school glue, disappearing purple.
How many does it have?
This is purple.
How many does it have?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We got sunscreen, banana boat,
50.
TSP. Anything else here? Yes. We have smudged-free erasers. 2. Circles.
A mí me gustan estos. Max.
Ooh. We got crayons. 64. Got paper weight. We also have ink. Highlighters. Or yellow. Some pink. Some blue. One orange. One green. I got all green.
Look. No, that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.